Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Prophet, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Enjin. Obviously, we do see a lot of green trickling back into the market, which is amazing. It's about time. We saw a lot of struggles yesterday. A lot of downtime with a lot of these coins. So today we're going to be taking a look at quite a lot of this green and see if it will continue, as well as give price predictions for the end of April, May, and 2021. So first, we'll start with the big boy itself, Enjin. It's about at $3. Obviously, it had something to do with Coinbase will list 1-inch Enjin NKN and Origin token. 4 new cryptocurrency tokens will be added to Coinbase Pro's listings. So this is actually going to be massive. It comes to the platform April 9th. So you'll see these come to Coinbase Pro April 9th, and I'm sure we will see that Coinbase effect take place. We do see it right now, like I said, right around that $3 range. Let's give it a refresh. It has been updating very quickly. You guys have to remember, because of the Coinbase effect, this price is going to be jumping all over the place. So market cap at $2.5 billion. Volume in the last 24 hours being at 2.1 billion. Circulating supply 834.3 million Enjin. So there's a lot of potential behind what we always look at here on Enjin. I think there's so much potential, and that's why we've been covering it quite a lot. I actually just made an Enjin on sale video yesterday, right before the Coinbase Pro drop or announcement. So hopefully you guys were able to get it while it was on sale. If we take a look at the last week, if we go all the way down to the bottom, it went all the way down to $2.03 yesterday. The Coinbase effect, we're close to $3 now. We've actually made it over $3. We went to 308. So a massive increase since then, over $1 in less than 24 hours. We're continuing to see an increase. So we'll see what happens with Enjin. I think there's going to be a lot of potential in this one long term. However, short term, you're seeing a lot of profit. So hopefully you guys, like I said, were able to get in on that sale that we had on a lot of these altcoins yesterday. If we actually take a look at what Enjin is, if you don't know, Enjin is an Ethereum token that aims to make it easier for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Enjin is used to directly back the value of NFTs minted with the Enjin ecosystem. So if we take a look quickly at the website, we're going to give you guys a brief overview before we go back and do our price predictions for April, May, in 2021. So first, we have next-gen NFTs for everyone, products that make it easy for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens of the future. They say powered by blockchain. They have a bunch of different games that Enjin is also creating. A ton of different games here. Actually, Game Talk is a new one that I haven't seen on this scroll for when we've been going through Enjin. I haven't seen this one, so maybe this is a new update coming, or not an update, sorry, but a new bit of news coming for Enjin. Maybe they just announced Game Talk coming for Enjin. But there is a lot of games here to scroll through, as well as they talk about next generation blockchain for NFTs. You can learn more, and then why Enjin as well. You can learn more about that. But at the bottom, they do have a very important couple stats. So we see 1.8 million plus wallets installed, 2.1 billion created assets, 43.9 million marketplace volume in Enjin. So millions of people are already using that Enjin products to manage, create, and trade fungible and non-fungible tokens. You can actually learn more about this in their blog as well. They have an AMA with Enjin just today, April 8th, which is also going to help boost the price, because they talk more about a bunch of different things here on Enjin and why really Enjin is going to continue to increase over time. I definitely suggest reading some of this. Obviously, it's a very long article, so you don't have to read everything, but I definitely suggest reading some of that for sure if you are looking to invest in Enjin. But there's so much potential behind what Enjin is, so we're going to learn how about Enjin real quickly. We won't go through it all because we do this every video, not this specific thing, but Enjin is infused into NFTs through a process called minting. This process can be reversed. Every NFT can be melted back into the coin. Enjin coin has real life value, meaning that all NFTs created with it have real life value too. These NFTs exist on the blockchain, which makes them very powerful. For example, your entire gaming industry inventory can be on your phone, featuring a sword you can use in multiple games, which you can easily sell to anyone at any time. So it's a very cool concept. They believe a virtual worlds of tomorrow will evolve into interconnected digital reality. So there's just so much potential behind what Enjin is trying to accomplish. I think they understand that their utility, is far and wide bigger than a lot of these gaming coins. There's so much more in detail that you can really take a look at here. As I refresh Enjin, we still see that $2.98. But let's take a quick price chart analysis. Then jump into our price predictions of today. I do want to say, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so if you're looking for a financial advisor, you're at the wrong spot. We're just here to give you guys some crypto news and information. So always do your own research on coins, certain coins before investing. Pretty much every cryptocurrency, do your own research before investing. So in the last month alone, we did see, pretty much a stable spot right around that 250 mark. We did drop, however, a little bit below that 250 mark before another increase, and then 250 we saw again into a very solid correction here. This correction, took place amongst pretty much the entire market for altcoins. So we did see it drop all the way down to about $2.03. I think a lot of people are going to realize this was your one chance to buy at a very cheap rate for pretty much all altcoins. So if you missed out on this, you are going to be, unfortunately, probably regretting that for the next couple months. Unfortunately, you can't go back in time, so just try to be smarter going into the future here. If you had the money, you were at a good spot to invest. But let's continue on. We do see a massive increase. Obviously, this Coinbase effect of it getting listed on Coinbase Pro took place, and now we're seeing it right around that 298. I do think by the end of April, we could continue to see Enjin increase. Since we did have this Coinbase effect, I do expect a small dip after the Coinbase effect is basically over. A lot of people understanding that, now's the time to get out. We got our short-term profits, and then they'll buy low again. However, I don't think that means Enjin is done for April. I think Enjin will actually end up above $3 for the end of April. I do think we're going to have a dip, though, unfortunately, like I said, because when this Coinbase effect is really done and over with, a lot of people are going to be selling, and I think this dips down below $3 for sure. I know it's below $3 now, but I do suspect Enjin will go back above $3 before it's all over and done with. But I do think Enjin, like I said, by the end of April, we're going to see it right around that 350 range is the all-time high, hopefully, sitting right around that $3 and about 10 to 20 cents on the stabilization spot. I think that would be awesome if we can just stay above $3 for the end of April. I would count that as a very, very big win. If we do take a look at the last year, we're at our all-time high currently at that 308. So we have just hit our all-time high because of Coinbase, the announcement. And I just think, how important it is to stay up to date on these kind of announcements. Do remember, guys, as soon as this announcement took place, I did put a pinned message or a pinned comment on my previous Enjin coin video. So hopefully you guys were able to see that as quickly as possible, so you were able to jump into Enjin coin when it was still on the rise. I think it was right around 250 that we did so you were still getting a very good price point. So do remember, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you can get a lot of crypto information that will help you out a lot on the exchange as well. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on. If we do look at the last year alone, you can see that most of this happened after December. We're continuing to see massive increases. However, in the last month alone, like I said, this is where you see a lot of the action. And I think because of all this, May is going to be a big month as well. We're going to see Enjin make its way to $4 to $5. I think about $4.50 for a stabilization and about $4.75 for an all-time high is definitely a reasonable price prediction. Do remember as well, guys, I do like to keep my price predictions as reasonable, realistic, and conservative as possible, really. So do remember that when doing these price predictions, I'm trying to stay on the conservative side. If we go to the year span, I do think Enjin coin will make a way past $5 and make its way to about $7 to $8. I think that's a very reasonable, realistic prediction. I really do think $7 to $8 is a possibility. So maybe an all-time high could reach above $8, get its way to $9 to $10, but I think the stabilization is going to be about $7.50, $8 going into 2022. That is going to be my price predictions for Enjin in 2021. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree with my price predictions, as well as like the video if you guys enjoy Enjin and price predictions. Thank you. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys have been awesome. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn notifications on. I'll see you all in the next one.